Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Panda. I am a fourth year student from UPS Dehradun. Currently, I am working as a legal intern in Lexis & Company for the month of June. And today in this video, I am going to talk about will and its importance. So, a will or a testament is a legal declaration which authorizes the testator to name the people who would inherit his estate after his death. He can specify his intentions which he wishes to be fulfilled after his death and clarify all the confusions regarding the distribution of his property. A will once made can be revoked by the testator only during his lifetime. It cannot be changed or disregarded after the event of his dismiss, and thus it is the best way to dispose of one's property. However, one thing has to be kept in mind. A testator can only make declaration regarding his self-acquired property by way of a will. He cannot give away the joint family property or any other property not solely belonging to him. Now, let us talk about the statutory backdrop of a will. So, the Indian Succession Act applies to all the religious communities across the board. This act, however, does not apply to Muslims who are governed by their personal laws. The Indian Succession Act of 1925 deals with both intestate and testamentary succession. When a person dies by leaving behind a will, it is known as testamentary succession. So, Section 2, Clause H of the Act defines the term will as legal declaration of the intention of a testator with respect to his property, which he desired to be carried into effect after his death. Now, let us talk about who can make a will. Any individual who has attained majority and is of sound mind can make a will. In India, a person attained majority at the age of 18 years. This is governed by the Indian Majority Act. A person of unsound mind can also make a valid will if it is made during his lucid interval. That means when he is conscious and his mind is working in a proper form. So now let us talk about a will made by a minor is void, even though a testamentary guardian can dispose of his property. One must be wondering as to whom one can make the beneficiaries of a will. The answer to this question is very simple. Section 112 to 117 of the Indian Succession Act state that any person who can hold property can be beneficiary of a will. Thus, a minor, a person of unsound mind, a juristic person, a corporation, etc. can be legatee. Now, let us talk about why should one make a will. Writing a will is considered to be a huge hassle, as a result of which many people prefer to die in state. So, however, a will is of immense importance. Let us illustrate this with a simple example. Mr. India, Mr. X. Let's talk about Mr. X. Mr. X has three sons, that is A, B, and C. He is extremely close to A, but is not at all fond of B and C. He feels that making a will is extremely difficult process, and hence he decide to not make one. One day he dies suddenly. Mr. X dies suddenly. His property is divided into three equal parts among the three sons. Even though Mr. X would have loved Mr. A more, however, the property is divided in an equal part. Thus, we see the importance of a will. So now let us talk about the main reasons as why a person should have will of their own. Firstly, the most important thing about a will is that it leaves comprehensible and explicit instruction about the deceased property and estate. Secondly, a will specifies the inheritor of each share of property and lessens the scope of any confusion that may arise in future. It therefore helps in mitigating family disputes. Now, the third important point is a will let one choose those people whom one would like to inherit their property after their death. In case one dies intestate, the property dissolves by intestate succession under the Hindu Succession Act, and those people whom one might not like may also inherit the property. Fourthly, a person making a will creates a safety gap for his minor children. He can appoint a guardian of his choice and also make any financial arrangement for them. Next is a will can be instrumental in protecting one's business. One can pass on their company and power of attorney to one preferred heirs, thereby reducing friction in business venture. So by this video we have talked the importance of making a will. So I hope you gained some knowledge from this video. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.